Namaskara Mataregla. Niklen Matarella Yana. Solmelu Studios moked edukonve. Actually, wait. Niklen Matarella Yana. Tulunadu moked edukonve. Tulunad is known for a lot of things. But one of the most famous thing that people come here as tourists is for its beautiful beaches. Pristine, sandy beaches. And today, I'm one of those beautiful beaches, one of my favorites. It's called Kadike Beach. Bale, near Gopuga. Wow.
Very pretty.
Nice. Portland. All my memories of childhood, especially summer vacation, and right now it's summer, have been spent by the beach. While I was growing up, the beach I used to mostly frequent would be the Kaipunjal beach or the Kapu beach, which is actually my hometown. Today I'm a few kilometers away from the heart of Udupi city, the Kadike beach. We come here because it's quite shallow, less number of tourists, less crowded. And talking about beach and sea, what do you call it in your own languages? Comment and let me know. But in Tulu, the seaside or the beach, we always say Kaḍlari. Kaḍlari is made up of two things. The main part of the Kaḍlari is the word Kadal, the sea. And I love Kadal because in Tulu there's a beautiful rhyming pattern I find in two words. One is Kadal, the other one is Uḍal, heart. My Uḍal is always in the Kadal. Come on, let's go play in the water. Something soothing about being by the water and the sea. I mean, I just wait for opportunities to just come here on holiday. And right now, wow, I'm just enjoying. It's not that hot either. People say, oh, it's too hot. But I'm just loving it. So as we are in my favorite place, your favorite place, Kadal, it makes sense that today's word that you're going to write in Tulu script should be Kadal. Come on, Balenama. Kadal and the Tulu Lipi Bareka. Kadal is a very simple word. It just got three parts to it, three consonants. Ka, Da, and La. And both Ka and Da have the inherent vowel sound A, and La has that in the end, that near silent Tulu vowel I. So it is Kadal. Come on, let's write it. So the very first consonant in the word Kadal is Ka. Very beautiful word. My favorite Tulu letter. We have learnt it when we wrote the word Kudla. It's an inverted heart emoji with two ponytails. So, we start with the ponytail. And then we draw the inverted heart emoji. And without lifting our pen, we complete it. This is Ka. Mast sulabate? Nana? Nama? Da akshara bareka. Da barare mast sulaba. Nama Udupi and Shabda Paranaka Bharata. In the video where we learned to write the words Udupi or Odipu, we learned it. Very easy. Looks like the English letter W but has an initial curve to it. Come on, let's write. So, we start with a curve, then proceed to write a W shape. Like this. This is Da. Ka, Da of Kadal. Now, let's write La. Writing La is very easy. One single stroke with two curves. One a circle, one an open circle. We learnt it when we wrote the very first word in this series, the word Tulu. Bale. Nama Surukonji, Ilya Chakrabudpa Oduncha. Chakrabudpa Baka, after drawing the circle, without lifting our pen, we draw a long curve. Undu La. Nana Kadalana Kadal Malpare Namonji Virāmā Chinna Padno. The Virāmā symbol in Tulu script for the letter La is like a half moon inch up. La Akshara the method on top of the letter La. We draw Nardha Chandra. This is the Chandra Virāmā. Now together, this is Kadal. Nama Porluda Tulunad the Kadal. So there we have it. Nama Tulunad the Porluda Kadal in Porluda Lipi. Thank you for watching this video of mine. Please subscribe to this channel and hit that bell notification to be updated with every new video we upload on Tulu script. Also, join us for our live Tulu script classes which we hold on Sundays. I'll share the registration link in the comments and descriptions below. Thank you. In a video tu nikleg Matra regla en Uḍal dinji Solmelu.